Once you automate, you never go back.
Stop looking at raw files. It's time to see the big picture. Standard tables are good for data, but they don't tell a story. Click AI Insights, and boom, your invoice data is instantly visualized. Track price trends, quantity distribution, and category shares. Zero coding needed. The AI even analyzes the numbers for you, spotting anomalies and key takeaways automatically. Need to share it? Export a professional PDF report in seconds. ParserData. Data made simple. Finished with one? Let's scale up. You can manage your entire document history from the dashboard. Need to combine data? Just select multiple files and click View Report. ParserData merges them instantly. See that? A unified dashboard. It aggregates totals, invoices, and line items into one single view. Compare spending across different dates and categories side by side. No manual merging required. Refine your report by filtering and mapping specific fields to get exactly the data you need. Then, let AI do the heavy lifting. It analyzes the differences between documents and spots hidden trends. One click, and you have a comprehensive multi-document report ready for your team. 1 hour of Excel work in 10 seconds.